Poker and the sportsbook. These are always two of the most popular things at the casino. And it makes sense. It's because one's own knowledge can reduce or even eliminate the edge that the house would otherwise have. You know that saying, the house always wins. But with these games, especially poker, you're playing against other players, not against the house. So, what if you could just wager against someone else and not at all worry about the house's advantage? Now you can. Peer-to-peer sports prediction markets. Introducing Dexsport. Welcome to the channel, and as always, I wish you all the very best of luck if you choose to invest. Just remember that I am not an official financial or investment advisor, and therefore this video is not official financial or investment advice. Okay, let's dive right in and take a look at how the platform works. First of all of its smart contracts went through a CertiK and pessimistic audit and passed both. Plus, they have backing from BSCPAD and other industry players to operate this decentralized prediction market. Like I said, it's decentralized. That means it's transparent and hassle-free to register, wager, and get paid. So safety is not a concern. Let's take a look at how the platform works. Boba Chain is coming soon, but almost all EVM chains and Ethereum itself are available on Dexsport. So first, as you see, we have to add funds. I'm picking a low-fee chain, BNB chain in this case, to add $100 for my wager. Then all the way down here to the left side, you see the sports that we can wager on. I'm going to pick one from the English Premier League and one from the MLB, Major League Baseball. MLB first. So here I am making two predictions. First, that the Atlanta Braves beat the New York Mets for $20 at odds of 1.42 to 1. And then secondly, for another $20, that the total runs for the game are going to be under 10. So fewer than 10 home runs. And notice that each wager here has a bet ID, which works just like a transaction hash. So you can search for the outcome if you want to make lots of bets. Again, keeping it decentralized and trustless. Payouts are instant as well, with no intermediaries in the way. The smart contracts take care of everything. Okay, now let's switch gears over to England. The only game on the board in the EPL on the day I recorded this is Arsenal at Crystal Palace. And here I also made two wagers. At an odds of 1.78 to 1, I'm predicting that Arsenal wins on the road at Selhurst Park, which is a tough place to play. And then also here, just on feeling, my last $20 is on the total goals of the game being over 2 at a slightly lower 1.48 to 1. So you can see here in the possible win column that I can win up to $165 on my $100 if all of my 4 picks come in. Click on My Bets, and you can see all the wagers here. And these are in the unsettled category since these games have not yet taken place on the day I'm recording this. Hopefully I do okay, wish me luck. But let's make things more interesting and get to the real fun here. There are a bunch of prop bets as well, as they're known in the betting world, where you bet on just really one specific thing happening in the game. So for example, both teams scoring a goal or who wins in the first half only. And another cool aspect is just like an online version of a sports book. You can live stream the action from matches taking place right now. In this case, 3 tennis matches from 2 ATP tournaments that help players prep for the upcoming US Open. Those are happening right now as I record. And of course, with odds and handicaps changing on the fly with each passing game in the match. So it's all very dynamic. And for the gamers out there, you can also follow esports. There are other games too. Okay, we're going to talk now a little bit about the gamer side of things. Here we have Dex Dice, which kind of looks like a dice game version of roulette. And right here, I'm going to try the demo because I'm out of money, just so we can see how the game works. Each result is between 1 and 100, and I'm wagering $1 in each one here in the demo. So it took me 4 rolls to finally come up lucky, but then once I did, I won actually 2 in a row. And as you can see here, we have 17 different games to choose from. So for the gamers, the GambleFi enthusiasts out there, you have a lot of great options. Let's talk now about the contest, the airdrop, and the DESU token. Now, although it started on July 1st, Dexsport has a contest that's ongoing until the 30th of September, so you still have plenty of time. Now, and every quarter going forward, Dexsport is going to be giving away $15,000 in BUSD in a combination of raffle, where anyone can win, plus if you fall into one of these 3 categories. If you're in the top 50 current winners for Express, top 50 active, or top 50 currently live playing, then you get a piece of this prize as well. In addition, Dexsport has a token. The symbol is DESU. You can buy it on Kanga or PancakeSwap. And as an owner of DESU, you can take part in the DAO, earn cashback and prizes and giveaways, and get whitelisted for special events. The DESU token has a 1 billion token supply, and you're getting in seriously early on this one. There's only a 59 million circulating supply and a total market value of $240,000. Its current price is 0.4 of a cent. Again, early. And having a token available like this means you can wager it however you like, just like I did in this video. And you can also be the house and get a piece of people's losing predictions if you so choose. So it's pretty cool. There are a lot of different options here depending on your style and what you want to do. You should definitely check this out by clicking the link in the description of this video. You can give it a try today. It is the most fun and the most decentralized wagering platform out there in the crypto market today. Check it out. Again, links and info in the description of this video.